In this video, I am going to show you how to extend your YouTube TV free trial if possible. While YouTube TV typically offers a 7-day or 14-day free trial, there are a few ways you might be able to extend it. First, check if there are any active promotions or special offers on the YouTube TV website or app that provide an extended trial period. Sometimes they run deals for up to 30 days. You can also search online for promo codes or discounts that might extend your trial. Another option is to contact YouTube TV customer support through their help center or live chat and politely inquire if they can offer an extension, especially if you're a new user or experiencing technical issues during your trial. Occasionally, they may grant extensions as a courtesy. If you've used one Google account for the trial, you could theoretically create a new account to sign up again, but be sure to review YouTube TV's terms of service to avoid violations. Always keep track of when your trial ends and cancel before being charged if you don't want to continue. If this video helped you learn how to extend your YouTube TV free trial, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.